everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our little mini handheld heat press here. It says have fun with iStoyo? iStoyo, yeah! Have fun with iStoyo. Alright, so let's have fun with iStoyo. Let's get into this. So first and foremost, it was shipped to me from Amazon. Just like this. This is my address right here. So I had to rip that off because, you know. So I had to rip that off, but so that was number one. It was shipped just like this, directly from Amazon. It was delivered the same day. I didn't even ask for it to come the same day, and it showed up at my door a couple hours after I ordered it, so that was pretty cool. Alright, so let's see what's inside this bad boy. The first time opening it, there wasn't any tape or anything I had to remove. It's just how it is. It is, to you, we give the best. Ooh, thank you. Whoa. Alright, I like where this is going. Have fun with iStoyo. Alright, so this is just like a little box inside of a box. This is cool. I don't know. I'm not going to take it out. Too tricky. Aww. Craft and create. It says be creative, craft and create. Oh, guys, look how cute. Oh, there's a few things in here. They feel like screen print. Yeah, awesome. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me just share these with you guys real quick. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. And they feel like a screen print backing, so I'm sure they can just go on whatever. Oh, I rule the world. I'm going to give that to my daughter. How stinking cool. How sweet of them to include this. Enjoy the show. And we already saw the cat guy here. Oh, that is so awesome. Wow. The little extras. You would have thought you got this off of Etsy with the little extra bonus sticker things in there. Alright. Heat press. Quick start. How to do it. Look, they even show you with the little guy there. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, we'll get back into the instruction part later. Right now we're just unboxing. We just want to see what's in here. Wow. Okay. Alright, let's start with this. I am Struggles the Bear over here. So we have our little base. Cool. Let's see, how can I set this up? There we go. You go there. Instructions stay over there. We're not ready for you. Oh, without breaking anything, Sarah. Jeez. Alright, so there you go, guys. So this is my hand. I think I have average hand. And sits right in there. Nice size. Good amount of weight to it, but not too much. Here we go on this off on button. Yeah, we got a power button there. A little bit of information that nobody really pays attention to there. Little handle, nice, and a power cord. So I guess it's just, it looks like a little baby iron. Super cute. Let's see, does it just sit on there? Poof! Look at that. All right, let me check the box, see if there's anything else in here. Oh, wait, there's more. Ooh la la. All right. Little storage pouch. Keep it working for longer because it's going to be stored properly. Nice. What else is in here? Yes, I'm going to put the box down. The box is now empty. And, ooh, look, a little heat press pillow there. Nice. That's so cool they include this stuff. Sorry about the plastic noise. I know it can be loud. And a cover sheet. Ah, cool, guys. That's so awesome. And they have their name on there as well. Alright, so that is the unboxing portion of this video. Next, I'm going to go cut something on the Cricut, and we'll do something HTV. I just think I've been wanting to get one of these and do like a hat with it so bad ever since I got my Cricut, but they've always just been too expensive, and I don't know. So now that I finally have one, I do have some hats in my little workroom there. So I'm going to go cut some vinyl. I'm going to go grab a hat, and then we'll do another video. All right, guys, bye.